来る。来る。来る is mean come or arrive. come or arrive. 来る。一緒に来る人数はどのぐらいですか？一緒に来る人数はどのぐらいですか？ How many people will come together? How many people will come together? 一緒に is mean together. And 来る is mean come. 人数 is mean the number of the people. The among number of the people. And どのぐらい is mean how many or how much. So in here 来る人数 is mean the people come together. 来る人数 is mean the people come together, but we don't know the number. We just know that many people come together, but we don't know exactly that 2 or 3 or 5 people. We don't know. So in say 人数来る人数 is mean the people who come together. How many? どのぐらい is mean how many. So in here we can say like how many people will come together. 一緒に来る人数はどのぐらいですか？ In this question, you will ask the case that the customer or the people who will come to visit your office or your factory or your company. So if you want to confirm that how many people will come together, you can use the sentence like 一緒に来る人数はどのぐらいですか？一緒に来る人数はどのぐらいですか？ How many people will come